Alright, this is another episode of Charleston Fisherman. Caught me another nice crappie. Here's a release.
Calm down, bluegill.
Alright, videotape this cast real quick.
Hold on, man. No. I'll go under.
If I don't get a fish, dude.
It must like that green color.
Yeah,
Dude,
it's
it's not coming out. God dang it.
Grab the fish.
Alright, let me get another cast right now. I'm
Have
gonna
you
go on
ever
this side.
thought about rebuilding the deck, Langdon?
I have. It won't come out. That's what mine was. Hold on.
Grab the fish. What is it?
I grabbed the fish a bunch of times.
Is that a
It is
bluegill?
stuck.
No, it's not.
I was holding it the whole time.
I'm
I'm holding the bluegill and I'm like, it won't fall, it won't go out. And I just let it go.
Oh, just to let you know, your shirt's inside out, Langdon.
Aaron, where'd you cast it? Yeah, I already go right here. No.
Yeah.
Just switch me sides.
This is a good place.
Yeah, I should get one right here.
You should drop it straight down.
It helps you. Peyton, what are you doing, dude? You're not even fishing.
Watch out, dude. This board's gonna break if you step on it.
It's too much weight.
I weigh about 150, so you better just get on
Peyton,
out of
you
here.
need to get off the dock.
For real, dude. You're not even fishing.
Dude, Peyton, I caught something wild.
If I fall in, you're getting the blame.
You guys not bait, you have to go
What?
get another one.
No, if you're not fishing, get off.
I was
Yeah, for
bringing
real.
my pole, and then Aaron said, "Oh,
No,
let me
no,
cast
get off,
it,
get off,
Steven."
get off, get off.
I'm watching.
No,
I want to be here.
it
the
is
next time
too
you
much
fish.
weight.
Just
Alright, right here's another good cast. Huh?
you're good right there.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Right there. Probably can get me a fish.
Dude, Aaron fell in the water. That was so funny. Corey was freaking out. She didn't know how to swim, and she was like, Aaron pushed her, and she was like,
Your girlfriend doesn't know how to swim, Langdon?
Corey does not how to swim.
I thought he said Gavin.
Alright, right here's my last good cast. I think I might get one right here. Yes. If not, I'm a cast over on that side where Langdon's casting.
Are we doing this the whole time? Like until it's
Alright, I need to get a better cast.
You got a little spinner, JC?
Garrett, how much longer are you saying we should cast?
I lost
What are you talking about?
How much longer do you think we should go fish?
About
About 30 more minutes?
Dude, I already got ticks. It's party. I got one on my leg. I just flicked off.
It's only been 40 minutes. It's felt like an hour.
Yeah, I got here early too.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I got here like 5:45.
Alright, let me get a cast right here and I'll take it.
I hate to tell you, but there's no
Make
fish
sure I
in
get infected.
I was caught 2 crappie, nice crappie.
You have a catch on? No.
Aaron,
Nothing is biting.
yeah, give it to me now.
Except for crappie.
Got me a nice crappie, dude.
You got it.
Another nice crappie.
Oh, yeah.
That's a pig, dude. That is what I'm talking about, boys, right there.
Put that up against my arm.
That is another nice crappie
Put this up against, let me see that.
for the day.
Turn up against my arm.
Check out that right there, boys. He's about a pound. Thick crappie right here. That bait right here, gold blaze, white jig head, and green minnow. Been smoking these crappie. I've caught 4 today. Yeah, about a pound.
10 minutes.
Paper mouth. That's what I'm talking about right there, boys.
You freaking really
What do you do?
He's got my thing stuck in the tree.
Try to get another one.
You caught full crappie in like 2 minutes.
Let's try to get another one right here, boys.
Hey, Middleton, I just missed about a 2-pounder.
Oh, something biting. My bad. Our another guy got here, so he's tying a bait on him. So we're gonna go ahead and get back to fishing.
Let me take a picture of you.
Really?
Right now, I'm trying to see if there's any bass or anything.
Oh, you got him, dude. You got him. Nice, dude.
What I tell you, pitch in the little pocket,
Right
get you
here,
good.
man.
About a Bert. That's what I'm talking about. He's about a pound, two pounder. Yeah, he's about a pound, about 14 inches. Hey, Brian. Oh, here he is. Here's the release. Hey, Max, I'm gonna get another worm. It broke my worm. It broke my worm. All right.